Good day everyone, this is Janleo S. Magpale from BSME 1C. So today we are going our 3D modeling 1. To make this happen, we're going to click center diameter and type 8. And after that, we are going to click polygon and type 6 and go to the center and click the second one, which is circumcise. So type from the polygon 2.5, and after that circle also from the center, which is 3.5. To make this 3D, we are going to isometric. So we are going to southwest and click press pull. We're going to press our 2D model and go to the bottom, which is type 1, and also from the center, which is type 2, and the circle from the center, we're going to bottom, bottom. And then to emphasize our 3D, so we are going to click the shadow of gray. So this is our model 3D 1. That's how easy it is. That's it.
Hi, my name is Elinja Molina. So now we create an a 3D number tree. So first, we go to the top view and create a square that having a measure 35 by 35. After that, we need to offset in 5 and put a circle in the middle of the square in diameter of 140. In the top of the circle, we put a line that having a measure 25. In the end of the line, we create a diameter circle in measure 20, and after that erase the line. We use the polar alley to make the circle equal measurement. Select the circle, enter, then put it in the middle, enter, and then change the items from the top into 4 and close array edit. So after we go into isometric view, click the SW isometric and 2D wireframe. Click the pull button and go to the circle to pull it down, that having a measure in 15, and tap the shade with gray. Click the pull button and select the offset square and pull it up in 15 and pull it down the 35 by 35 square. To finish, pull down all the circles that have a size of 20 diameter. And that's all. Thank you.
Hi, good day. This is Naisha Landes. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng 3D modeling using press pull command. Una, syempre gumawa tayo ng sketch ng base. Gumamit ako ng circle dito para sa gitna at nag-add ako ng lines para sa side extension. Here, tapos na natin ang 3D sketch natin. Palitan natin ang view to SW isometric para ready na sa 3D modeling. Ngayon, i-convert na natin siya into 3D. Gamitin natin ang press pull command. Type press pull enter. Tapos i-click mo sa loob ng close shape. Pag na-highlight na, i-drag pataas para ma-pull mo into 3D. Like sa ginawa ko, dirinag ko lang siya pataas. Tapos, nilagay ko lang ang tamang sukat niya. Ang maganda dito sa press pull, madali siya gamitin sa kahit anong close area. Like, circle, rectangle, polygon, anything, basta close area siya. Hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng extrude palagi. One thing bago tayo mag-press pull, change muna natin ang visual style to shade of gray. Pumunta lang tayo sa visual style at piliin yung shade of gray. Ginawa ko to para mas malinaw nating makita ang depth at extrusion habang nagmo-model tayo. Ayan, natapos na natin ang basic 2D to 3D modeling sa AutoCAD gamit lang ang press pull. And again, I'm Nashil Andes from BSME1C. Maraming salamat sa panonood at sana may natutunan po kayo.